Today, we are setting the record straight. In my last video, I found what is looked like a piece of copper wire stuck on the X-axis ball screw. Now, I'm breaking out the digital microscope to get a closer look and see what it really is together. Let's check it out together. Here you can see the ear picker, the screen from the ear picker. The left hand side, the screen is from my digital microscope. Let me show you a closer view. Let's zoom in a bit. Magnify by 1.5x, 2.1x, and 2.5x, 4x, 5x, based on the pattern, the surface, it didn't like a copper wire. That's great. This is just some debris. That's all. This is how I give him justice.
If you found this helpful or fun, like, comment, subscribe.